Hi everybody, let me talk in this video about variables. Java support different type of variables to store data temporarily in your application. So to get started, I will create a new class and I name it variable to just avoid or override something or another. If you remember when we started with Java, we write this method, so just copy this line because we will use it a lot. So just copy this line and add it here and then or a new class, and make sure you end the class by ending the line this way. So this is our class that we will write, or this is our method we will write our code. So how we define variables? Imagine you want to save name of user. So to save name for user, you need that type of string. So to define string in Java, you will click Shift and click S in capital letter, then you write string. Give it name in this way, and you could give it any value. You could end the line, and then in the next line you could say name or call. For example, you add it between double quotation in this way. Name it Hussein. This is a basic way. Or this is that type. So you could take this one and you could add it here. Make sure to adding semicolon in the end of the line because Java needs semicolon at the end of the line. So this is name. So to print the name, so you could say SYSO, then shift enter, then say name, print name, and you click save, then run. If you see, you will see Hussein Arubay on the screen because this string will be identified or defined by this variable name. So whenever I want to access to this string, I will use this name Hussein or name. If you see name, I could say Hussein Arubay. I could concatenate two names or name with other string. For example, I want to add some other string. I will say concatenate name, then this way. So if you see, I have name, double colon, between double quotation, then a plus, then other name. So to concatenate two string in Java, you just add a plus, then here we go. If I click save, then run, you will see name. Now I have name Hussein Arubay. This is a basic way how you define a variable in string type. There is a different type of string. So for example, you need to save integer. So in Java you say integer, int, then age. Make sure int, everything in small. Don't say int because you will run the trouble. int in small. Age, let me say 27. Okay. And if I go in next line, I will write SYSO, then same thing, enter. I want to print the age. I will say, okay, print the age. But if I click save and run, you will see age 27. I want to display age equal 27. So you could say add double quotation age, then this one. So that's mean I'm concatenate this string with this integer. That's okay. Just add a plus between them, and here we go. String with integer could be concatenate. So if you see age equal 27, this is in string. You could define double also. So let me define double in this way. I define the salary. Okay, salary equal, let me say 3500, whatever number you could give it. But because it's double, you could say 0.5 or 0.7, whatever you want to do. If you see, you say, okay, this variable is not used, so you could say SYSO, then you print the salary directory, or it's better to add concatenate with other string. You say salary. Make sure, because you define it here as capital, so make sure also when you call it as capital. I will show you what I mean. Let me just correct the salary. Why I write it down here in error way. When you say here define the first character as capital, should be here as capital. So if you say small, here you go, you run into a problem. So make sure everything, whenever you use capital, whenever you use small. This is one thing in Java, it's case sensitive. If I run, here you see salary is this amount. So name, age, salary. This is how you define different data type. Also, you could define character. You have mean then character. That's mean type or gender. Equal, for example, male. If you see, when I want to define character in string, I added between single quotation. But when I define string of data, I will add it between double quotation. This is how Java works. So when you want to define string, make sure add your string between double quotation. Just to make your life easy, I will take this one, I will add it here to make everything convention. So name, everything between double quotation. If you see gender, single quotation, because it is character. You could also print it, SYSO, then you could write, just make sure copy it, I will say gender plus this one. Click save, then here we go, run. This is gender male. If you see, the one idea I want to share with you here, how the variable could be defined, and the program will execute step by step. First thing will execute this line, then this line, then this line, then this line, then continue execution the lines. Defining the variable, it's really easy in string or any other data type. You could use a float also with Java, that's okay. Float, f, whatever. You know how you want to define float. It should be, for example, 3.5 for f, because it is using float. So when you spy or not spy any other variable type of float, you have to add f in the end of the variable. This is how the basic variable could be defined in Java, and this is what I want to share you in this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next.